confess, when everybody thinks you're perfect.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So dang, that bright light. Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. And by the title you guys already know what's good, ALO squad, what's good, ALO fans. Okay, so I'm going to do a glossy look, and when I first saw this look I was like, how classy is that classy? Like, that is like a beautiful classy, like, I don't know, it just something about it's like very like, you don't want to put all that in your face, girl. You just put a little gloss, a little shadow, and you're good. Okay, you're good, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to do that today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video as I come with the look of the glossy lid makeup tutorial. So I don't know if I'm going to talk through this or talk through it like voice over. So let's just get into this.
So I already did my eyebrows out of the screen, and right now I'm just wiping my face from all those dirt and, you know, last makeup, you know, stains or anything like that, any oils, anything. Just get that out of my face, all those junk, so I can start on a face brush. So I'll be using my NARS concealer to be a base for my eyeshadow, so my eyeshadow can blend more smoothly. And then I'll be using my beauty sponge by Sephora to blend that out over my eyelids and over the area that I will just be putting eyeshadow. So there you go. And now setting my concealer with a nude color to, you know, set my concealer.
Wait till we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this. And I know you mean only the best, and your intentions aren't to bother me. But honestly, I'd rather be somewhere with my people. We can kick it and just listen to some music.
And I'm using my Beauty Glazed eye palette, and I'll be using that same color in my eye crease and a little bit over my eye crease.
And I can't wait till we can break apart again. Yeah.
So I'll be using my blending brush to blend out that colors on my crease. I don't know the name of this brush. It don't have a name on it. So just use any of your blending brush. So I'm going back with the first brush that I used. I'm sorry, again, these brushes do not have names. So please bear with me. I feel like this brush here blends out more smoothly and the way I like, and, you know, it's better than the other brush that I used before.
Take it away, I beg you, take it all away. The pain it causes, it makes me wish I could fade away. If they knew what you knew, they probably shun me. I'm surprised you know it all and you love me. I know I'll break your heart. Body of death, give me rest if my heart's...
So as you can see, I'm going to use a flat base brush so I can pat down the color onto my eyelids. I felt like it showed like more of the color, like you know, what I need. I needed to be popping. I needed to be more pigmented. So I like to, you know, pat down the color into my eyelids.
And I cry for you. If it's so hard to lose, so hard to confess, when everybody thinks you're perfect. But I cry for you, if you feel it too. And I cry for you, if it's so hard to lose. The elephant's in the room. Take it away, I beg you, take it all away. The pain it causes, it makes me wish I could fade away. If they knew what you knew, they probably shun me. I'm surprised you know it all and you love me. I know I'll break your heart. Body of death, give me rest. If my heart stops, then it don't hurt no more. Can't get worse no more. Can't pursue all these desires, it ain't curse no more. No more.
So for this next move, I'm going to use this like very flat base brush to use underneath my eyebrows. I'll just be setting my concealer there and, you know, have that natural popping underneath my eyebrows look. So I'm just adding a little more of the purple eyeshadow over my eyelid to make sure everything is looking good, okay? And everything is seamless. So yeah. So as you guys can see, yes, I don't have like a glossy makeup product, but I did use a Vaseline and it really does work. And so I just use my brush, the flat base again, and just take some of the glitter from my palette and just pat it down onto my eyelids. And at first the brush wasn't working for me, so I just used my hands, which you will see on the next clip. Okay, after I make sure the shimmer is popping on my eyelids and make sure everything is laid out evenly, I will come back to the next clip because I'm doing my makeup off screen. And if you guys want a full makeup face tutorial makeup video, please like this video and comment down below if you want to. But I'll see you guys to the next clip with the finished look.
Why we do it?
I do it for the turn up. Yeah, yeah. Got that ammo locked and loaded.